Hello. Today I want to talk about chikomana Prayzah nesong yake Nabvu mutambo unodadisa. Prayzah is celebrating that his song has actually reached #1 on trending in Zimbabwe and is thanking you for the support, and we will keep wishing our warriors the best. The song is now #1 on trending in Zimbabwe. So Prayzah akaimbira ma warriors song for Afcon kuti vaenda vanotamba bhora, so he was sort of rallying for up, and the song Nabvu mutambo unodadisa. But there are issues with the song. There are some groups, some people who are actually raising concern that the song, it is actually a song inodegrade vanhu vechikadzi, inobvisa chiremerera pavari, which is vile to the women, because pane mama lyrics arimo which we are going to look at just now. Rega tingotarisa statement racho tisaite kunge taita zvekunzwa panapa. This statement, it says rakataurwa naNyari Mashayamombe. This is what Nyari Mashayamombe says. I was baffled yesterday on Friday when I listened to Prayzah's song for the Warriors titled Famba Nebhora. In the song, Prayzah says tova nzvenga sevarandakadzi, which means we dribble them like women slaves, and later says tova pfekedza mapitikoti, we make them wear petticoats. How vile. The woman, right, child ex-vist Nyari Mashayamombe, she told the Standard, he told, but panapa ndobaita nyaya pekuti tova nzvenga sevarandakadzi, we dribble them like women slaves, neba kuti tovapfekedza mapitikoti. So hanzi zvinodzikisira vanhu vechikadzi in this age kavakadzi havadi kudzikisirwa, kune ma-equal rights machii handiti. So ipapa, maybe it was just a slip of tongue, or they didn't take it that much, or chi, but these people, they are really taking it serious. But now I would want to say kuti Prayzah has always been a victim of mob opinion. Prayzah akazviimbira song yake, akazviimbira kutonga kwaro gamba, pangoiti koma events vanobva kuti Prayzah. Izvezvi we have got a case, Enzo Ishall was saying Varandakadzi shavi rako rekutambisa rinoda 50 magati. He called vanhu vechikadzi Varandakadzi, which means he called them women slaves. And in that song he actually shows Enzo Ishall, we was talking about sex, which means we could interpret it as women sex slave, but women, they didn't complain about it. Actually, they were actually dancing to the magati. They were actually calling them Varandakadzi. And now Prayzah come and say tova nzvenga sevarandakadzi. Everyone is crying, oh, why did you call him Varandakadzi? Why did you call him? Why did you call vakadzi Varandakadzi? So just say that Prayzah is a victim of mob opinion. So here actually I have a response from vanoremekedzwa vaNick Motsvangwa, Nick Mangwana, vachiti the Prayzah's Warriors Jengo Famba Nebhora has been found sexist by some sections of the Zimbabwean community because of part of the lyrics tova nzvenga sevarandakadzi and tovapfekedza mapitikoti. Are we lacking sensitivity, or we are too sensitive? Vari kutobvunzawo kuti hatisi taakuzvinyanya here, hatisi taakupfuurira here, kana kuti turungo hatisi taakuzvinyanya here. And here there is a crude Tito, it says ina hangu ndakazvimirira ndangodhinwa nepekuti mbuya avaperekedze mweya mutsvene uvaperekedze, which means mbuya nehanda namweya mutsvene hazvifaniri kuita sekufambirana. Mbuya nehanda namweya mutsvene hazvifaniri kufambirana. Prayzah should decide kuti anaramba song handiti, is he going to sing about the culture, or is going to sing about the Christian values? Kana kune chinhu chisingadiwe nemakristu ndechekusanganisa mbuya nehanda namweya mutsvene. Nyangu mbuya nehanda vari gamba rako zvakadini havadi, makristu havadi. That is something that Prayzah, he should know. Alright, enough of this. My issue is Prayzah, he has actually ignored these concerns. Sekunzi song yako iri degrading. He didn't make a statement on that. He actually celebrates the song is now on #1, which means he's actually just ignoring the critics. He's not going to be commenting on it. So Nyari Mashayamombe and all other kana vakadzi Prayzah ati nandimbona anything wrong about the song, and but that is what I am interpreting. He's actually celebrating that the song is now on #1 on trending. And inini I don't see anything wrong with this song. Kana vanhu vaitamba murandakadzi shavi rako rekutambisa magati and people were happy about it vachitambisa magati, then Prayzah ongoimbawo song yake ongoti nhabvu tovanzvenga sevarandakadzi, and then makutouya makutoti mukomana akanganisa. What I would just say is Prayzah is a victim of mob opinion. Thank you for